Uh, Learning is a reciprocal determinism between who we are, personal factors, what we're in, the company, the others' behaviors, the environment of buyers, and what we do, our actions, our trial runs, our initiatives, our project, some challenges, etc., etc. So it's very difficult to learn if you don't have the three dimensions. If you work only on what people are, their training, their expectation, what they're in, the company, the team, or just what they do, their action, their project, their coaching sessions, etc., etc. If it's only one or two dimensions, it's not enough to trigger a learning process. So, social learning is made of situations. We need to be able to watch, to listen, but also to do, and of channels. We learn through successes, through failures, and through comparison like benchmarks. The benefits of social learning is that that enables to integrate very quickly newcomers and to integrate external partners such as key suppliers, training companies in the learning processes. So it creates a lot of interaction among learners and between the learners and sources of knowledge. It's also a very constructivist way to capitalize information because you gather bits and pieces and you construct, you build your own little building through what you have collected. And it creates meaning, it's sense making because it enables people to interpret what they gather here and there in their interaction with others.